Where does Ryan Braun play?
Left field.
Where does Gomez play?
Center field.
Where does Aoki play?
Right field.
Where does Ramirez play?
Third base.
Where does Segura play?
Third top.
Where does Ricky Weeks play?
Third base.
What base?
Second base.
Yeah. Where does Corey Hart play?
Second base. Third base.
First base.
First base.
Where does Gallardo play?
Pitcher.
Axford.
Pitcher.
Markham.
Pitcher.
Lucroy. Where does Lucroy play?
Catcher and batter.
Catcher. Where does Maldonado play?
Catcher.
Where does Mike Fiers play?
Pitcher.
Where
And batter.
and batter. Where's Ron Renicky?
In the dugout.
What is Ron Renicky?
Coach.
He's the coach.